Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Cooler Master GP27QP 27-inch mini LED monitor. So friend, Cooler Master introduced the GP27QP, a 27-inch mini LED monitor featuring a 2K resolution VA panel and supporting HDR1000, and this monitor incorporates a high refresh rate of 240 Hz, which is particularly beneficial for smooth visual in fast-paced gaming and dynamic content viewing. And friend, this model is equipped with a 27-inch VA panel offering a resolution of 2560 by 1440, a contrast ratio of 2500 Gem1, gray-to-gray response time of 5 milliseconds, which can be reduced to 1 millisecond using motion picture response time technology, and the inclusion of adaptive sync technology aids in reducing screen tearing and shutter, enhance the overall gaming experience. And friend, key feature of this monitor is including mini LED backlighting, which divides the screen into 1152 distinct zones, allowing for precise brightness control and improving contrast in various viewing situations. While the monitor supports a standard brightness of 350 nits for HDR content, it can reach higher brightness levels under HDR 1000 conditions. Those specific peak and window brightness level have not been detailed by manufacturer. And friend, connectivity option with two HDMI 2.1 port to DisplayPort 1.4 connection and USB Type-C video input, which also support power delivery up to 96 watt. Additionally, this monitor functions as a USB hub featuring one USB Type-B upstream port and three USB Type-A port, facilitating easy connection of multiple peripherals. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.